Ways to use Chat GPT as a teacher, part 3.
So today I'm going to make Chat GPT work super hard for me. I've said that this week I'm reading The Very Hungry Caterpillar to my kindergarten class, and I need a list of questions that they can discuss in small groups with a parent helper. And it has come back with a list of really great suggestions. I would cut and paste these into a doc and print them out to give to the parent helpers. Now, as teachers, we love to integrate. So this time I've asked for a maths lesson that I could use to follow up with our reading. And it has come up with quite a few different activities that we could use in the kindergarten classroom. I love that it's even outlined the different resources that I'm going to need and the steps to teach the lessons. Now, keeping with the theme of The Very Hungry Caterpillar, I've asked it to suggest a few different craft activities that I could use with my students. Keep in mind, you could do this with any book for any age group as long as you give ChatGPT all the information. Finally, I've said we're going to have a class assembly and I want to showcase all of this learning to the assembly. Could ChatGPT write me a script for my assembly? And bam, here it is. It's taken less than a minute. You don't have to use it word for word, but teachers, this is such a time saver.